Hello and welcome back to Obsessive Chicks. Summer is upon us, the temperatures are going up, and we have got to remember to keep our fluid intake into our bodies, primarily drinking water. But do you ever just get sick and tired of drinking water? I know I do. I drink a ton of iced tea, water through the summertime. I'm not a soda drinker, so I don't drink that. And I don't put sugar substitutes or sugar into my iced tea. So I'm drinking water and iced tea all summer long, but I just get tired of it. And so I'm going to show you how to make a yummy fruit-infused water that is so healthy for you with just pineapple and a cucumber. Pineapples and cucumbers are full of antioxidants, vitamin C, help with your digestion, possibly weight loss, and it's just another healthy alternative to keep fluids into your body to get you through that hot summer without having to drink all that water and iced tea. So come along with me as I show you what I do to make my fruit infused water. So in my recipe, I use English cucumbers, and I'm just going to simply cut this up into chunks. I'm leaving the peel on because there's so many nutrients in the peel. And I've got a Ninja blender here. I love my Ninja. I have never had any issues with anything not blending. This is an amazing blender. If you're interested in one, I've got a link down below. I've got my pineapple. We're going to go ahead and put this in. And now we're just going to add some water. How easy is this? I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on. And then we're going to go ahead and push smoothie. This thing is amazing. Done. How simple was that? So now that I've got my blender off, I'm going to get this cleaned up and out of the way. Now what I'll do next is I've got a strainer here. I will pour my puree inside my strainer, and then as I go, I'll just get a little spatula and push through all the yumminess without all the pulp getting in your water. And I normally do this at the sink, but I'm trying to demo this for you here. So as we're pushing through this, we're straining all the pulp out. Now if you like it, you can definitely keep it in your water, but this has got the skin of the cucumber in it, so I don't care to have this into my infused water. And do this until you're done with your blender full of fruit and water. I'm not too concerned with the foam or going to this next step, but if you want a pretty product to serve for people, guests coming over, just get like a little soup spoon, Chinese soup spoon, and just ladle off all this extra foam that's on the top. Alrighty, so I got the foam off the top. How easy was this? A yummy drink to replace just water, but you're still getting your water. And this video was inspired by one of my subscribers, Purple Yeti. We have been talking back and forth on YouTube and in the comment section, and she was asking about things that I do for alternative things to drink that are healthy. And here's to you, Purple Yeti. A yummy nutritional drink that'll get you through the summertime. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. Have a blessed day.